Hi everyone, Ravi here to tell you guys about the CVS deals I did this week for the week of July 25th to the 31st of 2021. So yeah, I know it's been a long time since I've been to CVS, making CVS videos technically. I only go for the freebies every week and I just don't really post it because, people don't watch my videos. But this time I want to share these things with you guys, so hopefully if you can find it, you can go ahead and do them. Alright, so yeah. I'm gonna start off. All these deals are from Instagram, because that's where mostly I'm at, looking for deals and stuff like that. So the bigger people, they already talked about these deals. So thank you to everyone that posted about these deals on Instagram. And I know that Lois posted this. That's the only reason I ran out. Yeah. So what else is going on? I mean, these are the standard deals. I think everyone already did these deals in the week, so it doesn't really maybe help mostly everyone, but I had a $12 of Extrabucks that was expiring. You guys know that was from the toothpaste deal we did a few weeks ago, and that's where I shared with you guys that I bought 4 of the Colgate and I got $12 Extrabucks back. So that was just really awesome. And I only paid $2 for that. Yeah, and I got back 12.02. Yeah. So that was just an insane $10 moneymaker. So I decided to get these items, just roll my my extra bucks. And yeah, it was great. It was a great day today. So, yeah, let's get started. So you guys know about this Monofil D. This is some kind of multi-surface disinfectant. Now I don't know how good this actually is. I am a little skeptical on this. So the regular price for this is $11.99. I don't know who in their right mind would pay that much. And then it's on sale for $9.99. Okay, and you get $9 extra bucks back, so it makes it 99 cents for this. So I did have a $2 printable coupon from the Monofil website. It was yeah, you have to like enter your email or something like that, and you get a coupon via email. I did try to print it and then give it to the cashier in store, but unfortunately it did not scan. We even tried to scan it off my phone hoping it might work, but it did not work. So anyway, she just price modified it down. I don't know if that's technically a good thing in CVS. I don't know if you're allowed to do that, but the cashier did price modify it down to $7.99 for me. And yeah, I got back $9 extra bucks for that. So coupon should have made it $7.99 anyway, and you get $9 extra bucks, so it's $1.01 money maker, right? So that was great. I was very happy to get that and roll my extra bucks. I had $12 extra bucks used. Now I can, I split it up kind of like now I got my $9 extra bucks. And now the other thing I was gonna get was this Sting Kill right here. So this is something from Emerson. So where you buy one of these, you get a $5 extra buck back. All right, and this is found in that first aid health section or something. Now, for this, I actually had a $1 manufacturer coupon, and that would make it. So it was $5.99 in the store, so it would make it $4.99, and I'll get back $5 extra buck. Now, that was amazing, but then I realized I had a $2 first aid item CRT, and that actually made this even a bigger money maker. So what is it now? I paid $2.99 and got back yeah, $5 extra bucks for this. So that was just amazing deal. So what is this? $8 and $3. So I'm at $11 toward the $12 that I need to roll my extra bucks, right? So I picked up this Downy Defy. So Lois posted that at her store it was like $3.90 something, but my store was $4.12. There is a $2 from the Procter & Gamble that expires this week. Some people are using the $3, which is not right. You're technically only supposed to use the $2 because it's the 18.1 ounce. Okay, and you'll pay, what is it? I paid $2.12 for this, and it's a clearance price. The regular price is like $16 or something at my store. So I really wanted to try something like this. Maybe my clothes will smell a little bit better after washing. I've been trying to do like different types of things in the washing machine too. I only do my laundry now once a month. I don't really do mine weekly as I used to do because I really don't need to. Collect the clothes and well, I can't say a month, right? It's every 2 weeks. Why am I saying a month? It's every 2 weeks I start washing my clothes, and plus it saves water and everything like that. Um, and I think, yeah, I want to try to use this. Maybe we'll see how it works. Otherwise, I'll just shift back to my other schedule. You gotta try different things and see how it works out. Yeah. All right, and then the acetaminophen. Well, I actually got the ibuprofen on Sunday on another card, but this one I only found this at the store that I was at today, and I decided to pick it up because it was free. I got 7.29 off with the free coupon this week. This was the freebie of the week. So yeah, that's all the deals. So I paid $1.10 plus 80 cents tax. I paid $2 for this and I got back $14. So basically, it's just a free haul because technically with my Extrabucks, with counting that, if it's like 13, yeah, 13.10 plus the tax of 80 cents, and I got back $14. So it's basically a free haul. And I'm very excited that it was a free haul and I made some money on those items. I got this for, to try it out, so that was amazing. And I got my Extrabucks that I needed to do, so this was great. I wasn't intending to roll bonus, sorry, Extrabucks, but, I got, at least I got a few, another month of maybe if somebody posts a nice deal, maybe I can go ahead and, do the deal and, take advantage of it. So, yeah, very exciting. And I got to split up a $12 Extrabuck to 9 and a 5. So that's all that matters. And yeah, 100% savings, as it says on the receipt. So yeah, very, very exciting haul. So hopefully you guys can do any of these deals at CVS. I don't know. Maybe you already know about these deals, but I'm just gonna tell my followers if you guys are doing this, because I don't do CVS. I try to do moneymaker deals. So sometimes it's just if I had to roll, I had to roll. If I had to spend, I had to spend. I'll let you guys know. So yeah, that's all I want to share in my CVS haul today. Hopefully this was very helpful. Please make sure to like, comment, subscribe, share, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye everyone.